by day, Tenali Ram's fame spread not only in Vijayanagar but outside Vijayanagar too. On hearing that there is a person of unparalleled intelligence in King Krishnadev Raya's court called Tenali Ram, a wise man came to Vijayanagar to match his wits with Tenali Ram.
Rajpurohit ji, look, he looks like a wise man.
If he is, then let him be. How does it concern us?
What is this, Rajpurohit ji? Sire, if he is more intelligent than you, exactly like Tenali Ram, then it will be like removing one thorn with another.
Thorn?
Oh no! I mean, if we have to defeat Tenali Ram, won't we need someone as intelligent?
Yes, you are right. Oh, come on, let's go. We'll find somebody, come on.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
come
come. Excuse me, sir. Hello.
Greetings.
Please tell us, who are you, sir?
You seem to be new in this city.
Yes, this is my first time here.
Good. And what do you do?
I shall tell you everything. But you first tell me one thing. Who is this man, Tenali Ram?
Who is Tenali Ram? Or what are you talking? He is a very, very wise man.
Well, even I am wise. And that too very wise. But what does this Tenali Ram do?
Why do you want to know about that Tenali Ram? He does nothing but brag in front of the king and shows off some old tricks. And then king praises him.
And they call him a wise man.
Fine. We shall bring him back down to earth soon. All you need to do is to get me into the king's court.
Okay, sure. Rajpurohit ji.
Yes. Your Highness. Oh, my king, this wise man has come from a great distance just to meet you.
Greetings, O king.
My lord, this wise man reads, writes and understands 15 languages very, very fluently.
All 15 languages can speak crazy. How this is possible?
What are you saying?
Yes, my lord. I am very fluent in 15 different languages. And I have heard that there are many wise and intelligent scholars in your court. That is why I have come here.
Yes, there are many scholars in our kingdom. And I shall give you a place in my court too.
I beg your pardon. But before that, I would like to test the knowledge of the scholars in your court. If they are successful, only then shall I stay in this court.
What test, O scholar?
Rajpurohit ji, he's going to take test.
O king, I shall now speak in all the 15 languages that I know. From that, if any one person in your court can point which one is my mother tongue, then I shall consider that everyone in your court has passed the test.
That's fine. There are many scholars in my court. Out of them, at least one will definitely be able to discover your mother tongue. You may start.
With the king's permission, the wise man fluently spoke in 15 languages such as Tamil, Gujarati, Telugu, Marathi, Bangla, Oriya, etc. After hearing him speak a language, the people in the court who knew the language were sure that it was his mother tongue. But as the wise man spoke all the languages extremely fluently, no one in the court could exactly pinpoint which was his mother tongue. The wise man proudly said to the king,
O king, can anyone tell me which one of these is my mother tongue?
On hearing this, the king looked at everyone angrily. They all hung their heads in shame. Finally, the king looked at Tenali Ram.
Why, Tenali Ram? Are you too not able to point out this man's mother tongue?
That is not the case, my king. This gentleman is very learned. To discover his mother tongue, some time in his company is very much necessary.
Yes, Tenali Ram. You shall definitely get the time in my company. Come, why don't the two of us go roaming in Vijayanagar? That way you can have the pleasure of my company. And I shall be able to see Vijayanagar.
Great. But, O king, I will request you also to accompany us.
Certainly. Let's go. I shall accompany you.
The king, Tenali Ram, and the wise man spent the entire day roaming in Vijayanagar. During their discussions, the wise man spoke every sentence in different language.
O king, after roaming around in the sun the entire day, I am a little tired. If you don't mind, can we please sit here for a while?
We shall sit. Come, Tenali Ram. Let's sit.
Yes, my king.
Your city is very beautiful. I liked it.
And to top it, we have intelligent people such as Tenali Ram in our kingdom. Trust me, their intelligence is worth praising too.
Uma, mari gayo.
What happened?
Look, O king, your wise Tenali Ram has pricked me with a thorn. See how much blood I have lost, my lord. A wise man like him doing such a lowly deed does not suit him.
Please forgive me, O king. This learned man's mother tongue is Gujarati.
How can you say?
How is that?
My king, whenever a person is in pain, he speaks only in his mother tongue. And to discover his mother tongue, I had to cause him some pain.
Yes, my lord. My mother tongue is indeed Gujarati. Oh, Tenali Ram, you are indeed very smart. Your intelligence and wit has no parallel. I bow to you.
Thank you.